Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the NARWAL Freo, the ultimate cleaning machine that may or may not be plotting to take over your home. And on the right, we have the Shark Matrix Plus, which promises to suck up every crumb and mop up every spill, even if your cat's the one making the mess. Let's kick things off with the price. NARWAL Freo comes in at a whopping $1,399. For that price, it better come with a butler named Jeeves. Meanwhile, the Shark Matrix Plus is a more humble $699. It's like the difference between buying a Tesla and a really nice bicycle. Both will get you where you need to go, but one's gonna make you feel like a billionaire. Next up, let's talk cleaning tech. The NARWAL Freo boasts DirtSense Ultra Clean, which sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It detects dirt levels and sanitizes the mop pads with the perfect water-to-cleaner ratio. It's basically the Sheldon Cooper of robot vacuums, super smart and a little bit OCD. Meanwhile, the Shark Matrix Plus has its own bag of tricks. It's got Matrix Clean, which makes multiple passes over dirt for better carpet cleaning. It's like the overachieving student who always does extra credit. And don't forget the Sonic Mopping that scrubs floors 100 times per minute. Talk about a workout. Corners and edges. Every robot vacuum's arch nemesis. NARWAL Freo has Smart Swing Mopping, which sounds like a dance move, but is actually designed to tackle dust in those hard-to-reach spots. Think of it as the vacuum doing the cha-cha in your living room. Shark Matrix Plus, on the other hand, uses Clean Edge Detect, which blasts air into corners to pull debris into its path. It's like having a mini leaf blower attached to your vacuum. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about maintenance. NARWAL Freo has 3 mop drying modes with gentle heat to keep those pads from getting funky. It's like a spa day for your mop pads, but you'll need to make sure you're on 2.4G Wi-Fi for optimal performance. So if you're still living in the stone age of 5G, you might need to downgrade your Wi-Fi just for this robot. Shark Matrix Plus, however, empties and charges itself, holding up to 60 days of dirt. That's right, folks, 2 whole months of not having to think about vacuuming. And it's bagless, so no need to buy extra disposal bags. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. Special features, because who doesn't love a little extra? NARWAL Freo has patented high-speed spinning mop pads with 12N downward force. It's like having a mini sumo wrestler clean your floors. And it's safe for all floor types, so no worries about scratching your precious hardwood. Shark Matrix Plus comes with precision home mapping using 360 degrees LiDAR vision. This thing is basically a tiny, autonomous car. Plus, it's perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll. So if Fido likes to leave little gifts around the house, Shark's got your back. Reviewers love the NARWAL Freo for its advanced cleaning capabilities and smart features, although some mention its limited suction power and maintenance needs. On the other hand, Shark Matrix Plus impresses users with its strong suction, ease of use, and effectiveness in pet-friendly homes, despite occasional navigation issues. So there you have it, folks. The NARWAL Freo, your high-tech OCD cleaning buddy versus the Shark Matrix Plus, the affordable, pet-friendly powerhouse. Which one's right for you? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it smart, and keep it funny. Product links are in the description.